Congratulations to the top 7 finalists and thank you. एक बार जोरदार तालियां for the top 7 finalists. Thank you so much, girls. And now, our top 7 girls. Well, आपके और मिस इंडिया के क्राउन के बीच में बस एक सवाल का फासला रह गया है. Well, देखिए बड़ा सिंपल है. यहां पर ये एक बोल है. इसमें कुछ चिट्स हैं और उन चिट्स में जजेस के नाम लिखे हैं. आपको आना है, कोई भी एक चिट निकालनी है. जिस जज का नाम लिखा है वो नाम आप बताएंगे. वही जज आपसे सवाल पूछेंगे. Alright, एक बार जोरदार तालियां for our top 7 ladies and gentlemen.
सबसे पहले फेमिना मिस इंडिया छत्तीसगढ़ 2023 अदिति शर्मा.
Neha Dhupia, ma'am.
Hi, Aditi.
Hi, ma'am.
Okay, Aditi, I have a simple question for you. If you could change one law, what would it be and why?
If I could change one law in our country, it would definitely be criminalizing marital rape. Because as girls, as women, we have, thank you. As women, we have the right to feel safe everywhere, but most importantly, in our own household. And everyone should know that no means no, even if it is your husband.
Aditi, I couldn't have asked a more apt question to you, and I couldn't have got a more appropriate and wonderful answer. Thank you for being a voice.
Thank you, ma'am.
Alright, next, ladies and gentlemen, फेमिना मिस इंडिया. इनका नाम लेने के बाद मुझे 2 मिनट रुकना पड़ेगा. फेमिना मिस इंडिया मणिपुर. दाऊदाम स्वरालवा.
Mrs. Sarita Devi.
क्या बात है, क्या बात है.
Bismillah, congratulations. Top 6 lạc với cái
Thank you so much, ma'am.
My question for you. वो कौन सी चीज है जो हार सिखाती है और जीत नहीं सिखाती?
I have personally faced a lot of failures in my life. Sadly, self-doubt, negativity, insecurities, it all comes with failure. And when you hit rock bottom, that is the most crucial and important part of any human being because it can make you and it can break you. Failure has taught me to be humble, stay grounded, and be nice to everyone. I think that is the most important. Thank you very much, everyone.
और नेक्स्ट है फेमिना मिस इंडिया राजस्थान 2023 नंदिनी गुप्ता.
Namrata, ma'am.
Hello, Nandini.
Hello, ma'am.
So my question to you is, I'm giving you a choice to change the world or to change yourself. What would you choose to do and why?
I think I would change myself because just like appreciation comes from home and charity comes from home, change also comes from within. So if you have the power to change yourself, you can change the world. Because when you have the power to go through the change, to accept the new you with the undiscoverable qualities and the new you, you can create a more greater impact on the world. Thank you so much.
Thank you very much. Moving on. Next we have Femina Miss India Karnataka 2023, Megan Edward.
Mr. Rocky Star.
Hi, Megan.
Hi, sir.
So, my question, if you could choose only one option amongst money, power, or youth, what would you choose and why?
If I was a lot younger and didn't have a lot of responsibilities that I have now, I would choose youth. Only and only because I had the most amazing parents growing up, and I would love to just relive that over and over again. But being much older now and being the only person who earns in my family, I would choose money. Only and only because to put my brother through education, help my relatives, because finance is everything these days. And that's what I would choose. Thank you.
Thank you, Mehika.
Now, could we please have Femina Miss India Maharashtra 2023, Apurva Chavan.
Harshavardhan Kulkarni, sir.
Hi, it's a simple question.
Good evening, sir. Yes.
Yeah. So, what is the one thing that the previous generation can learn from your generation and why?
I think the power of social media is something that previous generation can learn from our generation. It has the power to create huge impact and reach millions of people while sitting in one place. We can start businesses, we can create influence. You just name it and it's all there at your fingertips. So that is something I think our elder generation can make the use of. Thank you so much.
Yeah.
Next, ladies and gentlemen, Femina Miss India Kerala 2023, Christina Biju.
Oh, it's Terence Lewis.
What is that one thing that women can do better than men?
Well, we all know that we women are blessed with the intangible energy to balance both professional and personal life. But according to me, the true essence of being a woman is the way she is able to combine gentleness with strength. Gentleness because we women are blessed with a gentle heart. And power, Shakti, that's why we are more humble. And I feel the way we are able to combine these two qualities together make us true leaders. The power of empathy that we carry within ourselves is the one thing that gives us the edge over men.
Agreed. Women are kinder.
And next, could I please request Femina Miss India Delhi 2023, Shreya Poonch.
Neha ma'am.
All right, Neha Dupia, once again.
All right, my question to you is, if you could introduce a new subject in school, I repeat, a new subject in school or college as a part of the curriculum, what subject would it be and why?
I think introducing a subject like civic behavior, we could teach children to be more engaging and responsible citizens. And I believe it would not only lead a positive change in our community and our country, but in the world as a whole as well. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you very much. Thank you, judges. And thank you, girls. Let's have a big hand for our top 7. एक बार जोरदार तालियां.